Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to hide some images on your iPhone? With iOS 16, hidden photos are now secured with a passcode or Face ID. In this video, I will show you how to use that feature. Let's go. As briefly mentioned earlier, with the new iOS 16 update, the hidden as well as the recently deleted album can now be locked using a password or Face ID authentication. By default, this new security feature is actually activated once iOS 16 is installed on your device. However, if for some reason it is not yet working on your iPhone, you can manually enable it. To do this, open the Settings app and scroll down until you see Photos. Tap on it, then under the Album section, make sure that Use Face ID is enabled. Once activated, opening the hidden and recently deleted albums will now require a passcode or Face ID authentication, whichever is available on your device. After setting up the necessary configuration, open the Photos app and select the image you would like to hide. Then tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Select Hide from the available options and click on Hide Photo to confirm. As you can see, the selected photo has been hidden automatically. If you want to hide multiple photos at once, you can also tap on the Select button at the top of the screen and choose the images you would like to include. After selecting, tap on the three dots below and select Hide once again. Then click on Hide Photos to confirm, and the photo should immediately be hidden from the public folder. You can still access your hidden photos whenever you prefer. If you go to the Albums tab and scroll all the way down to the Utility section, you will see this hidden folder here. Since the restricted access has already been set up, the folder is now private and locked, thus cannot be accessed unless a passcode or a Face ID is provided. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.